guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Graphics, Mahmoud Peter. You are welcome back. So if you just joined me for the first time, I strongly recommend you subscribe to this channel. Alright, so I can just get more visible, and I don't know what to say again. Let's just go straight to this tutorial. Alright, so the first thing I'll be doing is first create my background. Okay, so crop, make it this, then this way. Yeah, so I'll just come here and come to this and stretch this guy out. So just make sure this one is here, and come here a big. Alright, so with that done, come here and reduce the saturation to, let's say, brightness, leave that guy there, then 25. It's okay. Right, so the next thing, I just came here, I created the gradient or whatever. I guess I have my logo now. Do I need to bring in any logo? Okay, it is here. So I just came here and I brought in a shape. Alright, you should be able to create a gradient now. So the first thing, I just, which of them, this one, this guy here, then this one, which is the lighter version, come here, click on this and just drag it to this place. Then this one, just draw it here. You can still, let's just put it here. Anyway, let's just come here and just stretch it out. Then put it here and just stretch it out. It is still too light for my liking. It's light. It's kind of light. Okay, so keep on like this. So okay, I prefer this one anyway. Then I'll just keep on. Okay, come here, change the color to black. It's not doing me any good if it is light. Alright, so then I just rotate them. If you just come here, okay, and come here and rotate it to 90 degree. Alright, so we just, okay, so the opacity 90, just leave it at 90. I hope the color is in black. Alright, so we have this guy here. Then the next thing is bring our burger. Bring this burger and put it to the front. Alright, so we just put the burger here. This is how I positioned it. Alright, so I can just, I think I flip it this way. So the next thing is saturation -10, brightness, just leave them by to 60, then give this guy 25. Okay, so for one reason or the other, I think I'll leave it at 20. Alright, then be sure it's at the center, and that's it. So I have this element here, this shape. So this is the shape already. This is the element. So it will be in the description of the video, so in case you need it, let me delete it. I don't need it. So this is what I need in particular. So I just keep this one here, stretch it out. Be sure it's at the center. Yeah, this is it. I think it's quite big. Okay, now we can just leave it like this. Put it at the center. Be sure it's at the center, so I can just lock it. Then this guy, then move it to the top, reduce the size here, copy, alright, so then I have this leaf, so I will just move it to the top, reduce the size. Alright, so the resources will be in the description of the video. Alright, so we have this guy here. I still feel maybe my burger is too big. Alright, so I have this. There's no need of me adding shadow to my burger since the background is black, and besides I am not creating any overlaying effect here. So I'll lock this, lock my burger, lock. I don't want them to be moving. I'm okay with every one of them there. So the next thing is so the particular font I made use of for my chicken was Shelling. So when I just use the padding, visit to this, let me just make it even. So we'll just come here and font Shelling. Alright, okay, chicken, copy, just put it here and double click on it. Burger. Alright, so we have this guy here. Alright, so it's still quite big. Okay, now I have this guy here. So we're done. The next thing is just the name of the brand. Copy, I'll position it here. Amaka's Kitchen. I don't know, that name has been on my Amaka's Kitchen. Alright, so reduce the size. Okay, let's just see the size I'm going to reduce it to. So I turned it to Montserrat bold. Now on various occasions I would have used that semi-bold, but it's quite still okay here because it's kind of small, and bring it to the front. So reduce the size. It's an imaginary logo. Alright, so we have this guy there. Then let me bring this one to the front. Alright, so I don't have any need for this one again, but let me just, since I already have it out, alright, so this is the guy. Alright, so this is the guy here. So I just position it here. So we are done with this tutorial. Now you can see, probably I want to make this side, not this one. Let me lock this one. I guess I'm okay with it this way. I just want to make this side a bit light. Then I'll just come to this guy, just increase the opacity, reduce the opacity, sorry, make it a bit of 80. Alright, I think I will go with 80. Okay, now is there any other thing you need to add to this design? I forgot to add. We're done. You can see we are done. Alright, so I can just successfully hide this one now, and save image to gallery. So it's yet to be saved. So when I go to Snapseed, I won't find. Now it's now saved. So I'll just come here and open. Just forget about this one. Come here. This is it. So we have this guy here. Then I'll come to. Let me see pop. Let's see pop. Right. So I think I'll just stick with this pop effect. Saturation is too much. Let's come to accentuate. It's kind of similar. Alright, it's 12. Oh, it's worse. Let's stick with pop. Click on this. Come to view edits. Okay, I double clicked on pop. Okay, let's see. I'll just click on detail. Did I did that? I don't think I did. Let me just come back to open and bring in back my image. Then click on pop. Alright, so this is it. So how come it's the effect of the other time was now as much as this? Yeah, so this is it. I think I'll stick with pop. Alright, so then I can just come here and add my own to it. A bit of structure. Alright, and let me sharpen it a bit. Alright, so this is how it is now. So we are good to go. So I can now export and save. So that's all for this tutorial. We'll see in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Zazix Graphics signing out.